Indiana Youth Services Association is driving the state's first program to help the needs of youth human trafficking victims. A grant was recently funded to Tippecanoe County Youth Services to provide resources and rehabilitation. News 18's Alexis Moberger joins us now with a look into where the money is going and how the group is trying to make Tippecanoe County a safer place. Alexis.
Sam, as News 18 reported last week, IYSA was granted $750,000 for a new startup program to help human trafficking victims, not only in Indiana, but here in Tippecanoe County. The association says there is a growing problem of trafficking and sexual exploitation of youth victims. But Tippecanoe County service provider says it's become her goal to help decrease those numbers. Devin Moore learned about the Safe Place program several years ago and made it her mission to bring it to Tippecanoe County.
I thought, oh, that's something that we really need in Tippecanoe County. So over the last several years, we've been doing work specifically around youth who have run away.
Moore says the longer a child is missing, the more likely he or she will become involved in trafficking.
Once you've been on the run for 48 hours, you're at a 1 in 3 chance of being recruited for sex trafficking.
According to the Indiana Youth Services Association, the number of reported youth trafficking victims is on the rise. So far this year, there's been 50 cases reported in Indiana.
We never really think about it, but the Super Bowl and large sporting events like that, there's a huge wave of human trafficking that comes into communities as a result of those events.
Together, Moore and Indiana Youth Service Association brought a safe place to youth victims in Tippecanoe County.
So we received the grant in July of this year, and then actually just launched the program in October.
Tippecanoe County is one of 14 Safe Place programs in Indiana. The program allows various organizations throughout the community to be identified as safe place sites.
And so we want those sites to be places where kids feel comfortable going, that they're geographically located throughout Tippecanoe County and easily accessible for kids to go.
Some safe place sites in the county are fire stations and churches. But as of right now, police stations aren't included.
When we have a child that comes to the fire station, we ask them what the problem, if they're in danger, what they might be. We don't go into specifics with them. We don't want to know what the specifics, but just ask them if they're in danger.
From there, a youth service staff will be called in to further assess the situation. Moore says Safe Place sites are working with IYSA to develop a specific tool for intervention. Moore says the grant money will go towards the Safe Place signs along with training for the youth service staff.
Community outreach and informational material, so having flyers up, having Safe Place cards distributed at all of the local high schools and junior highs, posters and information at the schools so that kids know that this is a service that's new to the community.